Hello, Adonim Shel HaMishnah, Masters of Mishna. I'm about to sing and explain Mishna Avot Aleph. In the second half of the Mishnah, we learn three important principles of the Anshe Knesset HaGedolah, the men of the Great Assembly, who were essentially the Jewish High Court. All right, so now I will sing it, and then I will explain it. Moshe kibel Torah miSinai, umesara li Hoshua, vi Hoshua li Zekenim, Zekenim li Nevim, Nevim mesarua le'anshe Knesset HaGedolah. Hem amru shlosha devarim, havu matunim badin, va'amidu tamidim harbeh, va'asu siag, La Torah. Now I will sing the second half again. Ham amru shlosha devarim, havu matunim badin, va'amidu tamidim harbeh, ve'asu siag, La Torah. So in the second half of the Mishnah, we learn how the Jewish High Court says these three specific ideas. First, they say, when you are a judge, you have to be careful when you are a judge. You shouldn't be in a rush. You should judge correctly. Don't jump to just see the negative. Now it also says, V'ha'amidu talmidim harbeh, to stand up many students. The idea is not to make them stand up, but the idea is that you should encourage your students, but also a teacher should have many students and not just teach the elite. Now the third principle in the Mishnah is va'asu siag la Torah, that you should make a fence for the Torah. The idea is the rabbis sometimes make extra laws to stop you from breaking the original law in the Torah. So one example of this is, in the Torah, you can't eat meat and also milk. And the rabbis extend it to apply to, for example, you can't mix meat and milk pots, silverware, or to even extend it to apply to even chicken, so that the law doesn't only apply to meat, it also applies to chicken, lest you get mixed up and then eat actual meat and dairy together. Good luck, Adonim Shel HaMishnah.